friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the India Gate Basmati Rice Super. So guys, this is the India Gate Basmati Rice Super, and this is a 1 kg pack of amazing Basmati rice from India Gate. Today we are going to review this product, so let's get down to the review of it. So guys, first of all, right here we can see India Gate branding. Right on top we can see the India Gate branding and the India Gate logo is here. What do we have here is the aged rice. This rice is 2 years aged in the godown. So this is aged Basmati rice. It's a product of KRBL Limited. So India Gate is a brand from KRBL Limited, which is the world's largest rice miller and Basmati rice exporter. The name of the product is Basmati Rice Super, and this is a long grain rice. So you can see the illustration here itself. With net weight is 1 kg, like I told you all. Moving on to the side of the pack, again you have the India Gate branding here. India Gate Basmati Rice Super written right across the pack. And the same thing on the other side as well. You can see across the pack, India Gate Basmati Rice Super. Now coming to the back of the pack. Now look at the packaging right here. On the back of the pack they have a transparent part here right in the middle, through which you can actually see the grain of the rice, and the rice just looks amazing. So smooth looking rice and pretty long grained here. And think about it after cooking it, how nice it's going to be. Right here we have the India Gate Basmati Rice Super branding right here, and then there's a para written about the company. India Gate Basmati Rice Super originates from the heart of Basmati growing lands of India, the northwestern Himalayan region. The highest quality harvest of the region is tested, procured and then sent for aging in the most conducive environment of the company-owned storage facilities. The aged paddy is then sent for cleaning, milling and packaging in the state-of-the-art rice milling plant. That's that of it. And then it's a GMO-free product. Their license number, FSAI licenses here. The various addresses and numbers are given here. And here, what do we have here? Why should you have aged rice? Why should you choose aged rice? So that's what they have given you. For Basmati to flour and all its unique attributes, it must be matured for at least 1 year. So you need to mature the rice for at least 1 year for the Basmati rice to get the flavor and the aroma. To make it even better, India Gate Super is aged for a minimum of 2 years. So this rice here from India Gate, the Basmati Rice Super, is aged for 2 years for minimum, right? To make it even better, India Gate Super is aged for minimum 2 years. The result on cooking the grains elongate 2 to 3 times the size. 2 to 3 times, that is like almost around half an inch in size. Wow. On cooking the grains elongate 2 to 3 times, normally won't break or stick together and release a unique characteristic aroma of the Basmati. The 2-color pyramid on this pack is our guarantee that you are buying minimum 2 years age authentic Basmati rice. So the 2-color pyramid that you saw here, this is their guarantee of that this rice is 2 years aged. Then they are given the cooking tips. Pre-cooking, rinse the rice thoroughly, soak the rice for 30 minutes in lukewarm water prior to cooking. 5 cups of water for 1 cup of rice in a large cooking pot. Bring water to a rolling boil, add the drained rice and stir gently. Cook uncovered for 6 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Drain and rinse with more boiling water. Strain excess water and serve. 2 cups. Now if you're trying to use a closed pan method, you'll require 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Bring water and rice to boil. Cover the pan with a tight lid and let it simmer for 9 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and allow it to stand covered for 5 minutes, and your rice is ready. Now coming to the price of the pack. What is the price of the India Gate Basmati Rice Super? So a 1 kg Basmati rice here, the price is rupees 190. Wow, that is a lot for 1 kg of rice. So this is actually a premium rice here from India Gate. The India Gate Basmati Rice Super is like a premium rice because the price is 190 rupees a kg. If you go to buy normal kolam rice, it comes for 60 rupees a kg. This rice from India Gate, the Basmati super rice, is costing rupees 190. So I just can't wait to try this out and see how does it taste. So guys, the MRP of the India Gate Basmati rice super is rupees 190, and the shelf life is 24 months from packaging. So 2 years shelf life is there for this. So guys, let's go quickly and prepare something out of this rice, and let's go do a quick taste test. Prepared the biryani out of the India Gate Basmati rice super, and you can see the long grains of rice. It has come out amazing. And let's go ahead now and quickly do a taste test of it to see how good it tastes. This is a taste test of the India Gate Basmati rice super, and here we go. This is a spoonful of the Basmati rice super from India Gate, and here it goes, the taste test. Very nice and fluffy, very aromatic rice, and very flavoursome. So the overall rice is tasting very nice. I like the taste of the rice. So guys, I would give it a definite 5 on 5. This is a perfect rice to make biryanis and pulaus. So guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.